In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor after an update if your page layout is broken or images are missing. This guide is quick and effective, designed to get your site looking perfect again in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your website's WordPress login page. Enter your credentials to gain access to the back end of your website. This step is crucial as it allows us to make the necessary changes directly within WordPress. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your site, from posts and pages to plugins, and of course Elementor. Next on the dashboard, look for Elementor in the menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on it should open up a dedicated section for Elementor, where you can access all its settings and tools. This is where we'll be carrying out our troubleshooting steps. Now, in the Elementor menu, locate and click on Tools. This option is crucial because it offers various utilities that help maintain and fix issues with Elementor, especially after updates, which can sometimes disrupt functionality or change the layout unexpectedly. After clicking on Tools, look for an option labelled General. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of settings related to Elementor's functionality. It's key to review these settings anytime there's a problem following an update, as changes here can often rectify issues with page layouts and missing images. Finally, within the general settings, you'll want to find the Sync Library option and click on it. Syncing the library is an important step that ensures all the elements and templates stored in Elementor are up to date and correctly linked, which can often be the cause of missing images or broken layouts post-update. It basically updates the library system and corrects any discrepancies that might have formed during the update process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with broken layouts or missing images after an Elementor update. It's always a good idea to check your site once more after performing these steps to make sure everything looks and functions as it should. If all is well, congratulations, you've successfully fixed your Elementor issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for getting your site back on track quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides and tutorials. Have a great day.